Hey y'all, today I wanted to talk to y'all about something that I'm so excited to try. This is my first time using it. I've heard amazing things about it. This is the Revlon Root Erase. So basically it will touch up my roots, my grays in 5 minutes or less, which for me as a mom, 5 minutes is everything. I don't have a ton of time to wait because usually my whole day and my schedule is planned based around Olivia's nap time. So right now she's napping, just laid her down about 10 minutes ago, so I know I have about 2 hours or less to get everything that I need to get done for the afternoon. So this is the first to-do thing on my list, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it only comes with two things. It comes with the Root Erase and it comes with a brush. You actually get up to 3 uses with this Root Erase bottle, which is amazing. So it's not a one-time use. And then it also comes with the instructions manual on how to apply the color. So it came with 6 pairs of gloves, so I'm putting those on right now. Okay, so this is super easy. The cap will actually act as my mixing bowl, and it has 2 little pumps right there you can see, so both parts need to come out. So I'm going to squeeze this and make sure equal parts come out, and y'all can see right here, if you look at this cup, there's a little fill line, so I'm just going to fill up to that fill line and make sure it's like equal parts. Okay, that's super easy, and now I'm going to take my mixing brush and I'm going to mix those 2 together. Okay, so now that it's completely mixed, I'm going to take it, I'm going to apply it on my roots, like so. Okay, now all that's applied, I'm going to set my timer on my phone for 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna sit here and check some emails while I wait. Time's up. I am going to hop in the shower. I'm gonna try to keep my makeup on. I'm gonna rinse this out and I'll come back once my hair's dried and I'll show you all the results. Okay, so I just finished curling my hair. So this is the complete look. I'm so happy with how my roots look. They look so natural and so blended. All of the grays are gone and the color looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna tilt my head down just a little bit so y'all can see how good that it looks and how well it blends together. I feel like there's so much less of a demarcation line on my root, and it was seriously so fast. I left it on for 5 minutes, took a shower for 5 minutes, then blow dried my hair, curled it, and here we are, and Olivia is still napping. So that's a huge win for me. That means I can go down, eat some lunch in peace, get some more work done before she wakes up, and then go about my day. And another really good thing is that this will help me cut down the time in between my salon appointments. So I go to get my hair highlighted about every 10 to 12 weeks at the salon, and it usually takes around 3 hours for me from start to finish. And that's, you know, driving there, getting my hair done, and coming back. So this saves so much time. And as a mom, your time is so limited. This is crucial. So I highly encourage you to check this out if you're looking just to give your roots a quick little touch up. I promise y'all will love the results too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.